Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. Excuse me. As you can hear, I am still a bit under the weather. I believe it is the pollen that has and allergies that set up some gunk in my chest. So I hope you're all doing well today, and I just thought I would come on and do a quick flip through of two travelers notebooks I had made, and I used the Stamperia paper pad, and this was Mixed Media Minnesota's February kit. So we will go ahead and get right into this. So I just used some, this is just a strip of fabric for the closure, and then here on the front we have this lace here, little tassel-y things that's hanging down. I thought was really pretty. And then here on the edge I did put some pink lace, and then I put these little study flower things. I don't know what you really call them, but I had gotten those from BB Craft, so I just put those down the edges here. And this is a heart from the Padded Heart Company, and then this pretty pink flower that I had gotten as a gift from Claudia over at Timeless Crochet for You. I will go ahead and let you know there's nothing elaborate about these. I was just in the mood to do something pink and decided to excuse me, do four. So these two that I'm showing to you today is have quite a few more elements than the other two that I'm working on, and I'll show you guys those later. These will be listed in my Etsy shop, and these particular two that I'm showing you today has on the inside has fabric, and it also has some chenille in it as well. So we will go ahead and get into this. So on the front cover, again, it is fabric on the inside, and I made a lace pocket here. And then this image here came from a let's see, what was it, an Ideals magazine, and I just really liked the pink and thought it was really pretty, so I just backed it with some coffee dyed paper and made a oversized journaling card with that. This paper here is from Jovi over at Creating with Jovi. I just thought that really pretty green color would look good in here. And then we have some tea dyed paper. Made a little pocket here, and we have a journaling card from the paper pad. And then this is just a copy of a, I believe it was a postcard. If I'm not mistaken, it was the 1800s, and it is backed with Denise at Wonderbar Crafts avocado digital there, and those are available in her shop for download. And then this is just that lavender looking textured paper. This here is from Dawn at the Book Vandal shop. I absolutely love her coffee dyed lace papers. And then I just took a piece of chenille fabric and sewed it on that corner there. And there's, I think there's about 6 throughout each journal. And then this is some avocado dyed. And then here I just took some pink, what do you call it? Yeah, that stuff, guys. Sorry, I'm blank. And then this was also in the paper pad, cheesecloth. Sorry, guys. And then we have an avocado dyed dolly, and this is a sheet of that mulberry paper. I just thought this pink in there would look really good. Some coffee dyed, and I just sewed around it in pink. This right here, guys, is a small sheet of that French book that I actually coffee dyed, and I just went around it. The yeah, that I just used this worn lipstick Tim Holtz Ranger, and that's what I used throughout this. And then this right here, I believe it was from, is it Midnight? Yeah, I don't remember, guys, I apologize. And just a little tag there. And then we have some music sheet, some avocado dyed paper, and this was from Denise at Wonderbar Crafts. Some more coffee dyed. And then on this side, I just took this and made a belly band, and we just have a blank piece of blue stationery in there for journaling. And this right here is a jelly print, and that was from Diane over at Shawcraft One, I believe it was. We have another avocado dyed dolly. This paper again is from Jovi over at Creating with Jovi, and then another piece of chenille fabric, just sewed on the edge. This is avocado dyed again from Denise at Wonderbar Crafts. This right here is from Lisa over at Serious Hecka on YouTube, another avocado dyed. And then this is just a pink envelope that I put in there and made a little pocket with the flap. I just actually sewed it into the signature upside down. And then this was an element in a piece of ephemera and the mixed Minnesota kit. And then this right here is from Jovi over at Creating with Jovi. I believe that was one of hers. And this is another one of Diane at Shawcraft One's digitals. I just used my border punch here. I believe I got that at an estate sale. And punched the edge out there, and I just have a copy of an old postcard. I believe this was early 1900s, if I'm not mistaken. So we just slip that in there for a little something. This is from Jovi over at Creating with Jovi. This is also her coffee dyed in gold. I love that paper. And another piece of chenille sewn on the side. Just a white dolly. This is also from Jovi over at Creating with Jovi. And this is the middle of the signature, and I just sewed around that page. I think I'm just going to do a little bit of flipping, guys, so I can just talk you through some things that we come up with. This is another one, and another copy of a postcard in there. The other side of that envelope, and a little element from the kit. Another little tag in there. Another piece of chenille sewn here. Another one from a jelly print from Diane at Shawcraft One, and I just put a pink piece of stationery in there. The other side of that French book page that I coffee dyed, and again just did some sewing around that page. Struggling, guys. Show what happened there. And then the other side of that mulberry paper, and then some more cheesecloth, and just another little element from the page, or from the kit. Another piece of chenille here. And then this was in the paper pack along with this journaling card, and we just put it in there. That paper from Jovi. And then in the back pocket, that lace, I just went all the way across it, and that was just a big journaling card that was in the kit. So that is that one, guys. I'm not going to worry about making this pretty. I can't really make bows pretty anyway. But hey, as long as it closes it up, we're good. So that is that one. Really pretty. I really like it. And this is the other one. Same thing. We use just a piece of fabric I thought looked good with it. We have a pink heart from the Padded Heart Company. And then some more of those little lace dangles up there. And then some more of that, yeah, whatever you call it there, guys. I don't know what you call it. I think it's really pretty. And in this one, it also has a fabric cover on the fabric on the inside, and that lace pocket that goes all the way. And this is the other piece of that picture that you saw in the other journal. Again, just backed it with some tea-dyed paper. So we've got that in there. Another one of these with just that tag that's been dyed there. I believe that's tea-dyed paper here. And then that French book page, some more tea-dyed. And then this was just a journaling card, and I just made a pocket out of it and stuck a copy of a postcard there. This here is from Jovi over at Creating with Jovi, as well as this, I believe. And we have some chenille just stitched down the side. Some avocado dyed graph paper from Denise at Wonderbar Crafts. The belly band, another one of those jelly prints from Diane over at Shawcraft 1, and just put a piece of blue stationery in there. Jovi from Creating with Jovi, coffee and gold dyed. Piece of chenille there. Avocado dyed. I believe that's tea dyed. Just made a little pocket here. These journals have a lot of writing space in them, but you can also, you know, add your own elements. Just sewed around, did a straight stitch around that green sheet, and that's Jovi over at Creating with Jovi. Both of those are. Lisa, Serious Hecka. I believe it's Mind, Body, Spirit Store on Etsy, if I'm not mistaken. I always get that backwards, so I apologize. That is a avocado dyed dolly. Another piece of chenille on the edge there. Avocado dyed from Denise over at Wonderbar Crafts. And then here again, jelly print. Just made a pocket out of there. This postcard, it is a copy. It was from 1908. Creating with Jovi. And this is the middle of the signature, and just sewed around that page. It's a journaling card from the kit. And there, avocado dyed. Another piece of chenille here on the edge. Tried to do a little something different there. Just made a little pocket there with a little journaling card. Avocado dyed. Another piece of chenille here. I guess I could cut that off. It's a little bit too long. Another jelly print there, and just a piece of pink stationery. Piece of chenille sewn down through there. Again, just made a little pocket, tuck, whatever you will, out of that circle. The other side of the French book page. And then the back pocket and cover. I love that fabric. And just a oversized journaling card there. And then that's the back. Alright guys, thank you so much. These will be for sale in my Etsy. I am filming on Monday. I was hoping to get lots of filming done today, but with my voice, I'm just not sure how much of that you guys can tolerate, or I can for that matter. But I will definitely try to get these two journals in my shop. And yeah, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me for this flip through. Guys, you should see my desk. I seriously have, it looks like Pepto-Bismol has been splattered all over my desk is what it looks like. There's so much pink. So we have those two, and these two guys are the other two that I'm working on, and they're going to be a little bit more plain. There's going to be no chenille, but still very, very pretty journals, traveler's notebooks. These are going to be, I will be putting some fabric in. Probably should have used that on that other one, but anyway, yep, it is what it is. So I have pretty much everything in here. I just need to get it glued down and get some goodies in there. Probably will not be using padded hearts or anything for the cover. I don't know that I'm going to do anything else to these at all, except for you know, put those pockets in there and a little bit of ephemera. And then this is the other one, same thing. And this is the closure for this one. And again, these closures are just, you know, pieces of fabric. yeah, that leaves something to be desired. But there you go, guys. That's those 4 traveler's notebooks that I've been working on. And I did just receive in, I think, 4 paper packs from Tim Holtz. So I really enjoyed doing these. So I think I may do some Tim Holtz traveler's notebooks. Not sure, if we'll do that on camera or what we'll do, but yeah, I went ahead and went to Amazon and got me some of those. So thank you guys for hanging out with me. You guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for being tolerant of my voice. Again, these will end up being in my Etsy shop, so if you're interested, please go on over there and check that out. I am almost at 700 subbies, guys. I would really appreciate it if you would tell your friends about me. My ultimate goal is 1,000, when I'll be having a giveaway and give away a completed journal, which I'm really, really excited about. So I'd really appreciate it if you guys wouldn't mind telling your friends about me and helping me get there. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys, and we'll see you next time.